sba na umbe.
My name is Pastor John.
To zamatu no yule pastor. To zamatu no yule pastor jargu.
I said Pastor John.
To wunda ma no yule pastor jargu.
I'm from Koranza.
To ko yin kwarasa yu ala na.
To start with, I went to so many countries to deliver the word of God.
To pilgu no ko na bon chang tum se pam karyela na wo yeto ayel ba so ko chang ni ma.
Wednesday, I went to Turkey.
To no ra ko na bon chang tolo tolo.
From Turkey, I moved to Guinea.
To no da yi tolo tolo ma ko na bon chang kan.
Just to deliver the word of God.
Kar kunjala na wo yeto ayel ba so.
I also went to America
To no ra nyel mo ko na bon chang markatan ban.
and preached in 3 states.
Karnyala America ba leton kwa dwata ko ra chang ti yalla na wo yeto a.
I start with Washington.
To le pilgu no ra ko na bon chang pa ba ya.
And from Washington, I moved to Los Angeles.
No da yi pa ba ya ko na bon chang malaika bargiya.
From Los Angeles, I moved to Virginia.
To no da yi malaika bargiya ko ra ko na bon chang. This one I'm shy to say.
Why? Just go ahead and tell them.
We are here for it.
Don't talk, I won't pay you.
To no da yi ma ko ra ko na bon chang bin ma.
Bumbo.
To no da yi ma ko ra ko na bon chang pa ne.
Father preaching, are you sure you are telling them the truth?
Ni jama la kay yare ma be shirkan marema. Pastor.
Oh, my sister of Lord, please take her. In Genesis chapter 12 verse 6, Jesus said, you should take her. Oh, be patient, okay, my sister. My sister.
Come on, pastor. Oh, hi, mama.